Hello. Hello.
Please.
Speaking.
Hi, my name's Christy. I'm on a recorded line. Calling from the customer care team with just reaching out regarding your 2016 Nissan Rogue. It's been a few months since it's been in for an oil change, and I was calling to like to set up your next service.
I think I got a couple more thousand miles to go on it. Yeah, I think I got like 50, a little while to go on it. Can I get back to you next month?
Yeah, or if you'd like, I could set up something about 6 weeks or so down the road for you.
Yeah. Why don't you do that? Why don't you set something up and then why don't we do that? Make an appointment now.
Yeah,
that way I don't forget.
All right, I'll be happy to take care of that for you. And just as I was calling, I did double check to make sure there's no open recalls on the vehicle, and there's not.
No.
So I could just go ahead and set up for that oil change. And are you having any trouble with the vehicle at all? Is everything running good for you?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just waiting for the vehicle information to pull up. Do you know about how many miles you have right now?
No.
Okay, that's fine. Perfectly fine.
I know I had like a 2,000, I just checked it like a week ago, and I had like 2,000 miles left to go on it. So.
Oh, gotcha.
And I don't drive that much, so.
All right, let's take a look. Yeah, they recommend about every 6 months, even if you don't, but the mileage is a little bit low, so we can put you out just a little bit further.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And the scheduling tool is moving a little bit slow, so bear with me for just a moment. All right, now is still a good address for you?
Yeah.
All right, is there a day of the week that works better for you?
Like a Wednesday would probably be good, right in the middle of the week.
Okay. All right, do you normally wait with your vehicle?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look here. All right, well, do you want to maybe go for the third Wednesday in November, which is November 17th? I have an 8, 9, or 10 a.m.
Yeah, that's good. 9.
9, okay.
Yeah. Just
right,
in case I might have to drive somebody to school.
Gotcha. All right, I have an email address. Is that a good email address for you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm just waiting for the appointment to confirm. Give me just a moment. All right, looks like you're all set for the third Wednesday in November on the 17th at 9 a.m. If anything changes, just give us a call, or if you find that you need to adjust the appointment due to mileage, just give us a call also.
Right. Okay. All right.
All right, well, thank you so much.
I thank you for reaching out.
Oh, you're quite welcome. Have a lovely afternoon.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.